We're living through a time at the moment that is pretty difficult. We're living through something called the cost of living crisis here in the UK and probably globally as well, where people are affected by the rising costs. We've just been through a couple of years of COVID and how that's affected us all. And it's easy to get caught up in that and to allow those things to actually have to really impact us. And the reality is they are impacting lots of us on a very personal level. As a result, it's easy to lose sight of the good things that are still going on in life. They may be small, subtle good things, but it's easy to lose sight when you have these bigger issues going on. So next time you come into your workshop, next time you come in here, just take a moment, pause, and maybe just focus, if you can, on the things that you are grateful for, the good things in your life. And often we don't see, because bad news is a screaming big headline, isn't it? It's always. And good news, it just sort of goes underneath the radar, doesn't it, a bit? And people go, yeah, okay, there's nothing really to talk about. And yet it's really good to celebrate the small things that are going on in your life. So maybe just do a little, what is it? Maybe you're just grateful just for that cup of tea, just for this space, just for your family, just for your granddaughter, just things or just nature that you can see. I'm looking at a flower just outside my window. And you know what? It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous red and it's just glistening. Does flowers glisten? It's just there shining. It's flower glory in the sun, in the early morning sun. And it's just nice just to be with that. Or maybe just the silence. So just find things that you can be grateful for as you come into your workshop, as you start doing things, as you start your day. This has been another in the Woodworking and Wellbeing series. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care, everybody. Bye.